Hey, how's it going? Thank you very much for clicking in this video. My name is Lucas, and today I put you guys together this little video of 3 things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start beating Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen above. These guys, when you look up San Diego Kitchen Remodel, they pop up at the very first results on Google here and here, okay? So by implementing these 3 things that I'm gonna tell you about, you'll be able to beat them with no problem and securing those first 2 spots. You may wonder why I make this video for you, and it's basically because I know a lot of business owners are really busy taking care of their business, so they don't have time to learn how to use the internet, work for them, and bring them more business. And when it comes to hire somebody to do that, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not if you don't have the experience. So I like to make these educational videos for business owners so they can get all this information, and a lot of them they just take it and use it themselves, but some of them contact me and have me doing it for them. Either one is good for me. This is pure education, and if you like what you hear and you want me to help you doing it, please give me a call or send me an email and we can chat. That said, let's jump with the video. I want to tell you about the 3 main things that the Google search engine uses to rank a website at the very top. First, content, second, backlinks, and third, citations. Content would be everything that is on your website, all the text, pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and what is behind those pictures. And Google usually likes to see about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on the very first page in order to rank a website on the very top. Here, you can see that you have around 330 words. So I would implement at least another 1,500 words with a lot of keyword-rich content. As you see, these guys have a lot of content, a lot of pictures, a lot of text, okay, and a lot of keywords dropping on that aspect, okay, which guys same. So what you want to do is find terms about like San Diego Kitchen Remodel, San Diego Kitchen Remodeling, remodeling San Diego, bath remodeling, all those services that you're offering, okay, and just dropping in that content so that way when people look up for them, Google can find your website and show it to them. Second thing I want to tell you about is backlinks. A backlink is basically a link to your website in a different website. And when somebody clicks in it, drives the traffic back over here. The thing is, this works like a kind of like a popularity contest. Google loves to see a bunch of relevant websites vouching for you. And it's way more powerful and important on the eyes of Google that you have another website dedicated to the same niche vouching for you instead of just like a website that talks about shoes or pizza. A backlink on your same niche, another, for example, remodeling company puts a backlink to your website on their site, will give you way more power and trust on Google's eyes and will help you skyrocket over here. Okay. Third thing I want to tell you about the backlinks is basically the how you find them and how you build them. As you see, we use a tool called Ahrefs. Here I put your website and I can see that you have 20 referring domains. This means that there is 20 websites out there. Somewhere in the website they have a link that when you click it, it takes you back over here. As you see your competition, Lars Remodel, they have 74. And Miramar Kitchen About, they have 38. These guys have pretty strong backlinks. That's why even though they don't have that many, they help them be really high over here, okay? But the best way you can do in order to beat them is go through their backlinks and just making an account in all these websites and drop a link to your website on there. So basically copy them. If they're good to rank them, they're good to rank you. And once you copy them and put it on your website, all those backlinks, you add some extra ones so you make sure you beat them 100%. Then last thing I want to tell you about is citations. Citations is what it gets you over here at the very top of the map pack. A citation is basically your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web. Directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Yelp, etc. There's thousands of them out there. So what you need to do is to get a tool to check how many citations your main competitors have. And you, same with the backlinks, what I would do is just copy them, plus add at least an extra 100 on top. So let's say they have 150, I would go for 300. That way, when they realize that you outrank them and they try to catch up with you make it really hard for them because as soon as they start building more citations, you start building more citations as well. That said, let's make a little recap. What you need is about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. You need about a healthy, strong backlink profile. Okay. You can start doing it by copying all the backlinks of your main competition, and then you need to build some citations, at least 100 more than your competition in order to outrank them with no problem. You do all that, in no time you'll be securing those first two spots in Google and getting all the phone calls and all that extra business. My recommendation is, if you're interested in doing that, start as soon as possible, because implementing all this takes some time, and the sooner you finish, the sooner you'll be ranking over there and getting all that extra business. So please, if you want to do this yourself, feel free to take all this education information and do it yourself. But if you want me to do it for you, just give me a call or send me an email and we can talk about how can we do it. That said, thank you very much for watching the video. And if you can give me a little feedback, it'll be much appreciated. Have a great day.